what this artist is going to say about me, because you don't know the worst things have been said about Winky D. To an extent, them say Winky D is an agent of Satan. Other things have been said about Winky D, and look on my face, man, and just give them a smile. You know, we take everything with a smile, man. You understand? Because I believe if you're doing something in life and people they don't talk about it, then double check.
Yeah, man.
Maybe you might be busy doing nothing. You understand? So at the moment we do stuff, you know, and right now we check. The people are always talking about Winky D. Winky D this, Winky D that, Winky D this. Up in Facebook, man, it's Winky D. Winky D do this, Winky D do that, Winky D good, Winky D bad. Yeah, man, I'm the topic of the day. And to me, one thing they really have to know, as much as they might think they're saying negative things about Winky D, that's how you fuel Winky D. The more you talk about Winky D, the more I get popular. The more people want to hear what I'm saying in my songs. Right? So the greatest weapon if you want to destroy Winky D, don't talk about Winky D. Yeah, man, that is the reality, man. Because the moment you talk about Winky D, to me, that is mileage. Yeah. And I'll be smiling to the bank straight away. No problem, man. Straight away.
Smiling to the bank.